Okay, I'll just be a minute. I am supposed to do this. Oh, there's a butterfly. I'm too scared to go to the edge. I'm gonna go over there. Golly, that's just Jesus. That's just a rock face. Man, look at the tail. Could you imagine running these power lines? Couldn't. This is Tallulah Gorge. I'm gonna try to find a way to show the bottom of the gorge, but right now I'm scared. I don't want to get that close. But I will zoom in with my camera for you. Yeah, we'll go further down. Okay, I got a little closer. I'm still checking. Maybe if I just hold it and tilt it. I don't like this. Here, let's do it this way. I don't know. It's a long way down there. Oh my gosh. That's a long way down. That is the floor. Safe from a porch with rocking chairs. Way down there. That white water is the floor of the gorge. Boy, I tell you, it's absolutely beautiful weather. Colors are just starting. But yeah, you can't see the bottom from this rocking chair. He did look just like Sam. I do hope they're open because I do want to go see goats on the roof. We'll find out. But look at there. They got my wings for me. Yeah, right. The goats aren't on the roof, but they're right here. Hey, babies. I guess you go inside and get them some feed. We haven't made it that far yet. Look at the little babies.
Those not your children? Got him. Good job, Nick. Oh, dear.
Watch it, that one bugs him. Look at it.
And then you got this one up here who's just chill. That's pretty good. Just taking in all the madness around him.
We got one. We got him one.
Hey, baby. Hey there. I gotta go inside and get you something, but I'll bring you some treats back, okay? Look at you. Oh my goodness. Really cool. I can't make that noise. Let's go see what we can find. What you coming in a little bit? Jesus, full force. Ooh, you got blue eyes. Mm-hmm.
No, we don't want to leave.
What y'all doing?
We do not reward bad behavior. Watch, he's going to hit him. Oh, no. Hey, leave the little baby alone. Wait, did you hit him?
No, I think he hit his words against them. Oh no! Oh, I'm sorry.
Uh-huh.
Look at the bully. That was for that little baby. All right, drop it. Yay! They're afraid of the bully. Just do one at a time, because no. There's no way for him to go away.
This is kind of cool. We'll go on the other side. Looks like they're making some repairs, keeping the place up. And it says open. I don't know what that is. Okay. There's my finger again. They stick out weird in this contraption. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. You guys won't believe this place. Oh my.
Welcome to the planet.
Okay, so this isn't your average Adirondack chair. It goes rocky. You can twirl around, and it is so incredibly comfortable. A small cushion underneath and a little small pillow on your back, and it would be perfect. These are amazing. The cup holders are huge, like for Stanley's. That's what I'm thinking. Cool place. This is a cool place. Universal joint.